Right over here, we got a kingbird. Just chilling. Yeah. She's just chilling. Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Kingbird.
And then...
Oh, he's just looking at us.
Oh, yeah?
Cocking his head.
Let's see. Down there we have Mama Duck. She was happy we came to feed her because we haven't been here in days.
Oh, look.
Aww. And her babies are flying already. So, okay, bye. Alright, guys. These guys are so happy because this log got lodged last night. And they have something to stand on now. They're so happy. There's no log down there anymore. That's that little one. The one sitting on. And down there we have Blue and two homies standing on the rock, just hanging.